What is up, party people? Welcome to Morganton, North Carolina. A small city, a county seat, and a town rife with history. If you are a history buff, there is plenty here to keep you occupied. There are too many properties here listed on the National Register for Historic Places for me to list them all. So I'll just name a couple. Among them, the North Carolina School for the Deaf, Hunting Creek Railroad Bridge, and the Western North Carolina Insane Asylum. Here we play the City of Morganton Municipal Auditorium, or CAMA. Built in 1986, this beautiful theater seats just over 1,000. Tonight, it was Josh's birthday. Josh is one of our new technicians who works in the lighting department. I think we're gonna have to really celebrate tomorrow because the crew had to load out tonight. Also, tonight I had a chance to meet a subscriber to the channel and chat with her really quick about the show. Hi Erica, remind me next time that I see you that we're gonna have to grab a selfie. We were here for one night only, so we didn't have much of a chance to really explore the town. But it was great to play this beautiful theater and to get a little glimpse of this part of the country. Next stop, Durham, North Carolina. Thanks so much for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.